Good afternoon, this is David Montelongo. I'm at one of my projects this afternoon, and this is a super fun project that I wanted to share with you guys. This is an outdoor living room that we're building in Spring Branch, Texas. Such a fun project because literally this is a space that is an extension of the home. So one of the most important things when you're doing a project like this, an outdoor project, is that you match the details of the home. So in a minute we'll show you around, show you some of the details. Everything from the stucco, the fascia board that we ordered, the soffit system, the paint colors, the tile roof, the finishes on the underside of the ceiling of the patio. Just everything is going to match the existing home to the T. We're going to use tile on the floor that's going to match the tile that surrounds the pool. That's really what's important. That's why it's so important to hire a professional contractor. Even if you're building an outdoor project, you might think, well, it's not actually part of the home. But it is, it's an extension of the home, and so important that you hire a professional because, you know, in a project like this, besides just having a contractor, what we bring to the table as a professional contractor are the other professional services that are required to build a project like this. So a project like this, to build a foundation, requires engineering. To put the frame up requires engineering. You know, to do this design requires an architect, which we have in-house. So we do in-house design, and then we outsource the professional services that help us to build the project professionally, like engineering and things like that. So in this particular project here, we have electrical, just so many trades. So foundation trade, framing trade, professional roofing, professional electrician, professional brick mason to build a full masonry fireplace. Just so many professionals, and it really is important to hire a professional contractor when you're doing something like this so that you can match the details of the home. Many times we also, when folks hire us to do an outdoor living space like this, many times we'll have an outdoor kitchen, more of a cabana or casita. This particular project isn't just an outdoor living room. We'll show you in a minute one of the projects that is similar, but with an outdoor kitchen, casita, cabana type project. So again, this is in Spring Branch, Texas, a little bit outside San Antonio, headed towards the hill country, and just a super fun project. So we'll show you guys around a little bit. If you guys are thinking about building an outdoor living space, if you're thinking about building an outdoor cabana, or any type of outdoor space to entertain your friends and family and have lots of fun, give us a call at Sunrise Restoration. Our phone number is 210-683-8917. If you just have a quick question, you want to send me a text, 210-683-8917. You guys have a fantastic 2023, and we'll talk to you soon.